Hi there. Let's take a look at how to use the Risky Business Simulator in 50 Years of Interest. It's really simple. All you have to do is go to this cell that says test number and type in a test number, like test one. As soon as you click enter, the simulator would change the numbers to run a model of what might happen to a $100 investment over the course of 2 or 3 or 4 or even 50 years. It also automatically updates the graph so that you can see in visual form what happens to a high riskiness investment, a medium riskiness investment, and a safe investment. So in this simulation, you can see that the high riskiness investment turned into almost $500,000. The medium riskiness was only 15,000, and the safe investment was just between 2,400 and 2,500. So in this case, the risk investment really paid off. But if you run the test again, you might not find the same results. So if you type test 2 into this box, or test 3, or test 4, you might find different outcomes. For example, in this outcome, after 50 years, the high riskiness investment only made between $4,000 and $5,000. The medium riskiness investment ended up at over 36,000, and the safe investment was over 1,400. And so in this case, the medium riskiness investment ended up performing better. So that just goes to show you, you can't always know exactly what to expect when you make an investment. However, by playing with lots of different tests, you can get a feel for how well different types of investments might perform over time. Thanks and enjoy.